Trust me, eh? Only I could travel 2,000 miles in search of the sun, step off the plane and get pissed on. I'm gonna love this place, I can feel it.
Like a bloody prison camp, eh?
That guard with the Tommy gun? I thought we were going to be shot.
Tight security, has to be. Siege environment.
Why must they have Alsatians all over the place? I find them terrifying.
What do you want for guard dogs? Poodles?
Oh, my nerves!